What I wish I knew about lions before going on safari. These 5 facts are wild. Number 1. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. That's like hearing someone shout from 8 kilometers away. Number 2. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups, called prides. And those prides can have up to 40 lions. Number 3. Did you know? Male lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. Talk about being a lazy king. Number 4. Despite their size, lions are excellent hunters. They can leap up to 36 feet in a single bound. And finally, number 5. A lion's mane isn't just for show. It protects their neck during fights and impresses the ladies. So there you have it. 5 crazy facts about lions. Bet you didn't know all of those.